Got it here, 5 more next level knives. Rack knives, Benchmade, Hutec, G-Rocket, and this one is Chavas, I think it's called. States Capagon NC blade exclusive, and that's a website that I bought it from. Stone washed blue, full titanium, and it's MT90 blade. This side here is a little set. You get right here bar with that exact knife. Let me show you real quick. Silver, and it's actually by pretty awesome mint. 2 ounces, only 60 of them. So then you get right here the certificate of authenticity, and then you have right here little towel with that, so you can open your knife. Oh, it actually opens even more. Beautiful. So this is a part of a collection set. You can get all that. I really like the clip on this knife. You see the skull? Extended skull, pretty cool. So how do we open it? So I like to put my finger aside here. This is a frame lock, so that way it's easier to open it. But some of these knives are so hard to open it. Like Chavez, I never figured it out how to open them. There you go. It's just like a sweet spot. For some reason with the left hand it's a lot easier. MT90. So beautiful handle over here. This is a really popular knife. Anytime that company comes out with new knives, they get sold out. So frame lock. Let's see how smooth that is. Super smooth. There you go. Okay, I figured it out. There's a sweet spot. It's so annoying with some knives, you really have to think how to open them. With left hand is a little bit easier. But I don't know, for some reason I really have to watch out not to like put my fingers onto this thing. Maybe with my big hands I sometimes block it the wrong way. But once you figure it out how to do it, it is very, very smooth. Awesome knife, but you know, this is why knives are so different and everybody likes different kind, because in my experience this knife is kind of hard to open for me and close it. But still, comes with a really cool silver bar, I mean separately. Next, let's see what this Hutec is about. Claret, clip point, stone wash 10, and all that numbers. Okay. Is it a certificate of authenticity? Not really. Caution, extremely sharp. That's good to know. Oh, this is nice. This is Hutec. What does this say? Hutec knives. And there's a serial number and everything else. It's kind of cool. It's like a Microtech, except the button over here on the side. Very nice and comfortable. Obviously the balance of a knife, the handle will be way heavier than the blade, just the nature of a knife. But I really like that blade. Very comfortable, very unique. There you go. Just another like Hutec OTF knife. Super smooth. What about the blade play? There is a little bit. Very minimum. It's just what they do. Actually it goes up and down a little bit too. But again, very, very minimal. It's a beautiful little knife over here for sure. I like it. Next, D-Rocket, this little one, discontinued. Here and there sometimes the Salem. I really love the Rocket logo. Beautiful mini pocket knife, clip over here. So let's press it. Oh, this is safety. So we took off safety and then flew out. The problem though with this knife, if I want to hold it this way, this thing is in the way. If I want to hold it this way, this thing is also kind of awkward in your way as well. So it's kind of like a little bit of a bad design. You see? It's just so awkward. I guess this is less awkward to hold it this way. Okay, then we press it and release it. Safety will not do anything, safety disengaged. And then you can press it, but if you hold it this way and press it, you see it will hit your fingers. And again, hit your fingers. So you gotta, there's a little bit of play. You gotta really watch out for that thing over here. It won't hurt you, but it will stop the knife. So that's why this kind of knives a little bit cheaper, but still beautiful design. Definitely still in a way this is awkward holding it into my hand, or over here will be awkward as well. But M290 steel, beautiful little pocket knife. Still room for the improvement. Okay, next I got right here a right knife. This is probably the first one I ever had. I'm probably gonna buy a lot more. This is beautiful. Let's look at it closer. What is it made of? Titanium handle with red carbon fiber inlay, something like that. So this is a carbon fiber, but it's just like beautiful with the red in it, maybe dyed or something. And this point is beautiful. For the knife, it's kind of unique. You see how it's like points out this way, super smooth. I mean, that's a elegant everyday carry, like over the weekends, you know. Okay, where is this gonna be balanced? Perfect balance, handle not too heavy. It's just perfect everyday elegant knife. Look at that. What's say over there? Something 1902. M290 again, number 129. So definitely custom. I'm in love with that knife. Super lightweight. So let's close it. Let's see how smooth it is. It is really smooth. I like it. Wow. Both sides. Look at that clip. Match and screw. So yeah, that's for sure really nice. And I like the flipper to where we can close it. It will stop. Then it closes all the way. And the last one, Benchmade Hutec. And it says right here, auto open, S30V, everyday carry, tactical. Benchmades are kind of cool. They explain what it's for. So check this out. That's kind of cool. I really like that one a lot because the blade is in the middle of the handle comparatively to the Hutec. You see, it is off middle. It's closer to this side, which is not a big deal. There's plenty of OTFs this way, but that's just perfect. Whenever you have a knife in the middle of your handles, that's how it's supposed to be. There's a playroom, obviously. There's only one knife brand that I know of that is a perfect OTF that doesn't have any playroom. But I really like this knife because you have this different color pins, screws, different color button, Benchmade, very unique. I like that one a lot. Also reversible clip, that's for sure. Very nice knife, very smooth. And you see, you got it here, double action, soft, and then it's harder right here, and that's what it makes it safe. You really have to pull it, but at the same time it is quick. So yeah, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. I think this one by far. Everything else is pretty cool, but this one is just flawless. A beautiful collector knife for sure.